Power strips with surge protection. Flat plug power strip tower is designed for people who regularly need to power multiple devices without creating unnecessary cable clutter. Instead of relying on several separate extension cords, this charging station combines a tower-style layout with a generous selection of outlets and USB ports, making it easier to keep everything connected from one central location. The tower design is especially useful in spaces where traditional power strips can become crowded. With 12 AC outlets distributed around the tower, larger power adapters have a better chance of fitting without blocking nearby sockets. This makes the unit suitable for home offices, entertainment setups, dorm rooms, bedrooms, workshops, or family charging stations where several devices need power at the same time. In addition to the AC outlets, the built-in 4 USB ports add extra convenience by allowing phones, tablets, and other USB-powered accessories to charge without requiring separate wall adapters. Having both standard power outlets and USB charging in one unit helps reduce clutter while simplifying cable management for everyday use. Safety is another important part of the design. The integrated surge protection, rated at 1080 joules, provides an added layer of protection against unexpected power surges. While surge protection cannot guarantee complete protection against every electrical event, it offers valuable defense for connected electronics during common voltage fluctuations, making it a practical feature for users powering computers, networking equipment, televisions, gaming accessories, and other household electronics. The included 6-foot extension cord gives additional flexibility when placing the charging station. Whether the wall outlet is behind furniture or located several feet away from a desk, the longer cable makes it easier to position the tower where access is most convenient instead of being limited by outlet placement. The flat plug design can also help the cord fit behind furniture or in tighter spaces where a standard plug may protrude more than desired. Overall, this charging station focuses on solving a common everyday problem by combining a high number of AC outlets, built-in USB charging, surge protection, and a space-saving tower layout into a single solution. For users with multiple electronic devices that need organized power distribution in one location, it offers a practical combination of capacity and convenience while keeping the setup cleaner and easier to manage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.